Mimi Mango.
Let's open the egg, let's see what's inside. It's a little friend, let's peek inside.
Crack, 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 what do I see? A tiny lion smiling at me. Roar, 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 he jumps around. Happy feet upon the ground. Crack, 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 it's green and bright. A bouncy frog hops left and right. Ribbit, ribbit, he leaps so high, touching stars up in the sky. Crack, 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 big ears appear. It's a baby elephant drawing near. Stomp, 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 she shakes the ground. Trumpets loud, a joyful sound. Crack, 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 what's hopping there? A fuzzy bunny with floppy hair. Boing, 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 she loves to play, jumping in the grassy hay. Crack, 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 a yellow glow. A baby chick comes soft and slow. Peep, 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 she sings with cheer, dancing while her friends draw near. Crack, 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 it's black and white. A penguin waddles left and right. Wiggle, wiggle, slide on snow, flapping wings wherever we go. Crack, 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 who's moving slow? A tiny turtle starts to go. Step by step, he takes his time, walking gently in a line. Crack, 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 big eyes stare. An owl is blinking from her lair. Hoo, 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 she flies at night, spreading wings in silent flight. Crack, 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 it's black and white. A panda munches with delight. Chomp, chomp, chomp on bamboo trees, rolling over with a sneeze. Crack, crack, crack with fluffy tail. A sneaky fox runs down the trail. Swish, 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 she hides then peeks, playing games of foxy tricks. All the eggs have hatched today. Animal friends came out to play. Now it's time to say goodbye. See you on another day.
Bye bye. Mimi Mango.